Yes, people, welcome to a new comparison. And in this comparison, we're gonna compare ShopPay versus Afterpay. And ShopPay is, of course, from Shopify. And if you are in the ecom game, you might heard ShopPay and you have heard Afterpay. And those two completely different payment processors you have to keep in mind if you are in the ecom game. We're gonna tell you something about the pros, key features, some about the cons, of course, and we tell you a good, clear conclusion at the end. But first, we have to dive in my computer so I can tell you more about ShopPay or Afterpay. Yes, let's go. Yes, people, welcome in my computer, and we're gonna compare ShopPay and Afterpay, and those two giants in the ecom business are two popular payment options, of course, and we're gonna compare them on 15 various aspects. And the first one is purpose. ShopPay is a checkout option developed by Shopify to enhance the checkout experience on the Shopify platform. It focuses on streamlining the checkout process, providing security measures and enabling easy returns and order tracking. Afterpay is a buy now, pay later payment solution and allows customers to split their purchases into 4 equal payments without the need for credit checks, interest, or establishment fees. It provides flexibility in the payment options. Well, the second one, accepted payment methods. ShopPay and Afterpay both accept credit and debit cards, Apple Pay and Google Pay. Well, the availability. ShopPay is exclusively available for Shopify merchants, and Afterpay is available for a broader range of retailers and e-commerce platforms. Well, an important one is the commission fees. Afterpay charges a commission fee ranging from 4% to 6% per transaction, along with a 30-cent transaction fee. ShopPay imposes retailer credit card fees ranging from 2.4% to 2.9%, with Shopify Plus store owners paying a lower expense of 2.15% along with a 30-cent transaction fee like the Afterpay fee. Well, 5. Spending limits. Afterpay has initial spending limits for customers. And these limits can increase with responsible usage. ShopPay has no spending limits, but it offers spending limits for its ShopPay installments, which can vary based on the customer's purchase history and payment plan. Payment timing. Afterpay provides settlement funds to merchants within 2 business days. ShopPay takes 1 to 3 business days for payment to processed. Approval process. Afterpay may conduct a soft credit check for new customers but rarely declines transactions. ShopPay does not check credit history for its installment options. Data and privacy and security. Both ShopPay and Afterpay prioritize data privacy and security by encrypting customer information and implementing security measures. 9. Eligibility requirements. Afterpay has specific eligibility requirements such as age, residency, and ability to enter a legally binding contract. Wow, a mouthful. ShopPay does not have specific buyer eligibility requirements, but businesses must use Shopify as their e-commerce platform to offer ShopPay. Well, integration with e-commerce platform. ShopPay is exclusive to Shopify, while Afterpay can be integrated into various e-commerce platforms. The product pricing. Afterpay is suitable for businesses selling high-value products as it allows customers to split payments. ShopPay is beneficial for businesses offering less expensive products, focusing on a faster checkout experience. The payment flexibility and convenience. Afterpay offers flexible payment plans, while ShopPay prioritizes convenience and speed during the checkout process. Well, we are already at chapter 13, and it's the customer demographic and preferences. ShopPay caters primarily to customers on the Shopify platform, and Afterpay is available to a wide range of customers, making it more appealing to a younger or budget-conscious customer base. Business size and budget. ShopPay is suitable for a small to medium-sized business on the Shopify platform. Afterpay is accessible to businesses on various sized and e-commerce platforms. The integration. Some businesses choose to integrate both ShopPay and Afterpay to offer customers a wide range of payment options, improving customer satisfaction and sales. Well, in conclusion, guys, ShopPay and Afterpay serve different purposes and have unique advantages and disadvantages. The choice between them should be based on your business's specific needs and the platform you use, and the preferences of your target customers. In some cases, using both payment methods simultaneously can enhance the overall shopping experience and drive higher sales. And we came to an end of our comparison. If you have any experience with ShopPay or Afterpay, please leave a comment in the description. That would be very nice. And I hope you make a choice between ShopPay and Afterpay. Let me to wish you a great day. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.